Thank you for your warm comment, Hiramata-san. And good afternoon, everyone. My name is Tetsuya Shoji, and I'm President and CEO of NTT Communication. On behalf of all the representatives of NTT Group here today, I would like to say a big thank you for coming and welcome. This is a picture of the French Open mixed doubles tennis winner from 20 years ago in 1997. Of course, you know your local hero, Mahesh Bhupati. But maybe you didn't know that the lady with him, Rika Hiraki, is an employee of NTT Communications. She works as part of our public relations office, in fact. India and NTT Com have won lots of things together since the French Open. And I believe we can win many more. I'm really glad to come back to India. 2 years have passed since I was with our prime ministers at the Japan-India Innovation Seminar held here in Delhi. Since then, the relationship between our two countries has become deeper. Last November, Prime Minister Modi came to Tokyo to meet Prime Minister Abe. They announced that India has adopted Japan's Shinkansen train, bullet train, and will start its own high-speed railway in 2023. The growth rate of the Indian economy is high, and the ICT market is a big component of that growth. So India is one of the most important growth countries for NTT Group. NTT Group is a collection of many hundreds of companies. Some of them are represented here today, notably NTT Data and Dimension Data. Within the NTT family, NTT Communications provides infrastructure that contribute to global business growth and innovation. As you can see, from the statistics on the slide, the NTT Group is quite big and has a revenue of over 100 billion US dollars. Also, we have 275,000 employees. About 24,000 of those people are in India. So you can see that India is an important country in NTT's global strategy. Nearly 90% of the Fortune Global 100 companies use the services of the NTT Group. We have wide-ranging international coverage. And importantly, here and now, we have the largest data center facility scale in the world. India is a big part of this data center growth today. It's the growth story. All ICT users need security measures. NTT Group carries about 40% of global internet traffic. We analyze 3.5 trillion security logs annually, and we detect and prevent 6.2 billion malware intrusion. NTT Communications take its mission as part of the NTT groups seriously. We understand that there are many capabilities in the NTT group, and our mission is aligned with what our customers want: innovation, scale, and processing power in the infrastructure and networks that underpin their businesses. This drive supports our NTT Group values of stability, trust, and resilience. Our fiscal year 2017 goals are aligned with that mission. Continuous pursuit of reliable, high-quality infrastructure for our customer is essential. That is the first pillar of our 2017 goals. The second pillar is to expand the service of overlay by software-defined technology. The strengthen SDX plus M solutions. I want to illustrate this point, the extent to which software is driving innovation, in the next part of this talk. For many years, we have continued to develop our network, which now covers 196 countries and regions. And we have expanded our capabilities by securing a capacity of 8.9 terabits per second worldwide, and 5 terabits per second between Japan and Asia. This is also used as an important infrastructure for supporting services such as cloud services and SaaS, provided by our partners and OTTs. An interesting statistics is that we have 280,000 kilometers of cable under management. That is 7 times around the Earth. We continue investing in network infrastructure, developing new capabilities for improved reliability. The world depends on it. This spring, we launched a new submarine cable laying ship called Kizuna. Kizuna is equipped with the latest technology and know-how to maintain a highly reliable network. It is responsible for laying and maintaining cables and also deals with disaster countermeasures. 実際に絆は東北震災を経て社員に募集をした名前でございます。In fact, there are 4 Kizuna-like ships, not just one. So we have a system to conduct cable deployment, maintenance, and disaster recovery globally. In this April, we announced that we acquired a virtual network operator international long-distance license. The license acquisition will allow us to add international network services to our portfolio of existing services in India. Currently, NTT Com provides national long-distance network services through NTT Communications India Network Services, NTT CINS, and colocation, managed hosting, cloud, and ICT management services through NetMagic. With the acquisition of the network license, together with NetMagic, we will strengthen our position as one of the few global carriers capable of providing full-stack ICT services in India, and help you build your ICT environments for global business expansion. We provide data center services all over the world. And here in India, we opened the Mumbai 5 data centers 2 years ago. This year, we opened new data centers in the United States and also in Germany. Today, let me announce the construction of 2 new data centers in Mumbai and Bangalore. We will open these data centers through NetMagic next April. I think these data centers will give us a global footprint of almost 400,000 square meters of server room. All these investments we consider as necessary infrastructure. Before I get to the software, let me please talk about some trends in ICT. You all know of the remarkable changes brought about by cloud computing in recent years. But many customers are increasingly worried about what their cloud strategy should be. They are worried about whether they are doing the right thing. They are worried about being left behind. They are worried about how to make the change profitable. Our experience shows that a cloud-only strategy is probably not the correct answer for most businesses. Hybrid approach, consisting of private and public cloud, colocation, existing IT estate, is often the most practical strategy. So this way, you look at each workload, each service, each application within your company, and decide the best place for it. The usage of hybrid ICT processes, we will have to respond to the problem of complicated resource management. To solve these issues, we offer tools, software tools, to manage a wide range of ICT resources horizontally and vertically. The essential technology for addressing the issue of inflexibility on the network layer is software-defined technology to abstract the hardware layer and put the user in control. Not only WAN and LAN, but also network in the data centers can now be managed with software to software-defined services. McLaren, known as one of the most successful Formula One racing team of all times, is a master of innovation. This car has 20,000 different parts, and during a season, more than 80% of those parts are changed or improved. Last year, we became a technology partner of the McLaren Honda racing team. This short video explains the value we bring to the team as part of the technology partner program. Please.
The importance of data to an F1 team is greater than ever. As the sport has developed, it started with very exquisite materials, which of course we still have, but now understanding what the race car is doing, what the drivers are doing in a real-time data, reliably, quick, is ultimately how we make all of our decisions on the racetrack.
200を超える車載センサーを搭載する F1 は
まさに走る IoT でありまして、ビッグデータのショーケースそのものとも言えると思うんですね。ここで勝利するためには正確かつ迅速な、戦略策定のための遅延のないデータのやり取りが必要です。サーキットだけではなく、英国ロンドン郊外のマクラーレン本社にあるテクノロジーセンター、エンジンを供給しているホンダ様の日本拠点へもこのデータの送受信をリアルタイムに行い、シミュレーションをいろいろと行っているんですね。まさに NTT コムが有するグローバルな ICT ケーパビリティがこの F1 においても大きく貢献していくことが期待されているわけです。
NTT Communications' contribution has been outstanding in its early days and looking much more forward to working together. And I think we're only going to get stronger as we work more closely together.
チームパフォーマンスの向上に向けてですね、我々の ICT を順次展開してきております。世界21拠点のですね、ネットワークを構築するとともに、世界主要拠点における LAN 機器保守のサービスも展開しております。また NTT コミュニケーションズのクラウドの基盤上にレース戦略策定システム、これ MOS と呼びますけれども、を搭載したことにより、解析シミュレーションの速度も 25% 以上改善されました。
I think the goals that we have is we have to get back to winning world championship. We need to get back to winning races with the great team that we have and the great partners that we have.
マクラーレンがポディウムに立つこと、そしてチャンピオンシップを獲得することを一ファンとしても大いに期待し応援しております。This image shows our cloud management platform which visualizes various ICT resources across your IT estate. This is the software used to help customers control hardware in our data centers and on their own IT estate. With McLaren, we have started providing a race day tracker on this cloud management platform, which was first used last month at the Azerbaijan F1 Grand Prix. And here's a video of it, please.
When it comes to racing, performance is everything. It demands speed of delivery, effective use of resources, and the ability to spot issues and provide efficient solutions before they happen. That's why McLaren Honda Formula One team has partnered with NTT Communications to meet its race day challenges.
We've deployed for McLaren our wide area network solution, providing scalable, solid, robust network infrastructure globally. We've deployed our Enterprise Cloud 2 solution to offer enterprise-grade private and hybrid cloud solutions. And we've also deployed, importantly, our cloud management platform.
So we've decided to move to a cloud-first strategy, which means that we're no longer relying just on physical infrastructure on site. And the cloud management platform from NTT Communications is allowing me now to manage that hybrid environment and have all of the data at our fingertips that we need in order to be able to proactively manage it and not just reactively manage it.
Tied into that, we've been working very closely with them to develop a race day dashboard. Now this is interesting. This ties in the innovation that McLaren actually require during a race weekend and ties it in with our solutions that are currently there. So it provides a dashboard view of all equipment that relates to race weekend, from network equipment through to cloud environments, through to physical and virtual equipment. So we deployed it for the first time in the Baku Grand Prix.
It gives us a single pane of glass to look at all of IT infrastructure from networks, servers and cloud-based environments on a race weekend.
NTT Communications is also accelerating efforts in IoT and AI to combine these innovations with hybrid ICT. We now have 8 kinds of IoT services and solutions, as you can see here, across many different verticals. It is difficult for NTT Com to deal with each vertical on its own. So we realized are that we need to collaborate with industry experts to achieve the best IoT services that we can. This slide shows some of those collaborations. We are currently promoting demonstration experiments with several customers in each of these 8 areas, featuring a future prediction solution that uses AI. By using our AI technology, which we call time series deep learning, we are using real-time data to predict future failures and defects in production processes to improve business efficiency. This movie shows one favorite case studies featuring Mitsui Chemical using such IoT in heavy industry to improve their process outcome. Please.
IoT は情報を見える化するだけのものではありません。AI と組み合わせ未来を予測することもできるのです。三井化学株式会社様と共に取り組んだ事例についてご紹介します。さまざまな原料を投入し反応させることで製品を作り出す化学プラント。その運用においては製造に関わるすべてのプロセスを監視し適切な制御を行うことが重要です。これまでは限られたデータを従業員がチェックすることにより製造プロセスの監視を行っていました。
製品品質と相関の高いプロセスデータを監視しておりました。ただ、運転員の経験に依存しており、監視の精度に限界がありました。2015年から NTT コミュニケーションズと IoT AI に関する検討を開始しました。化学プラントの監視を強化することによって、運転の高効率化や安全の確保を目的としました。
化学プラント内の原料の温度や圧力など様々なデータと出来上がった製品の品質を AI が学習。これにより AI は20分先の未来の品質を予測できるようになります。こちらのグラフをご覧ください。学習を終えた AI が様々なデータをもとに20分後に出来上がる製品の品質を高い精度で予測しています。異常の発生を事前に察知することもできるのです。
20分先の品質を知ることで異常を予測でき、運転トラブルを未然に防止することができるようになりました。プラントの生産効率と安全性の向上につながると期待しています。
ディープラーニングをプラントデータに適用して異常あるいは品質予測を行うという取り組み自体は非常に先進的な取り組みです。今回の取り組みにつきましては、お客様との信頼関係を築き、お客様と一緒になって課題解決に取り組めたということが大きかったというふうに考えております。
NTT コミュニケーションズには AI を活用した化学プラントの自動運転の可能性にも期待しております。
NTT コミュニケーションズは先進的な技術を活用することでお客様と共に製造業のデジタルトランスフォーメーションを実現します。
I hope you can see how the increasingly software-defined world is driving a lot of our investment. Before I finish, I'd just like to note that we plan to exhibit the NTT Group at the Mobile World Congress to be held in Barcelona, Spain, from the end of February to March next year. Mobile World Congress is a big exhibition and we plan to have various exhibits and experiences. So please visit us if you have any chance to go to Spain. NTT Communications will keep on working with customers to realize their data transformation plans. Thank you very much for your time, and I look forward to talking with as many of you as possible during the day. Thank you.